Hi guys, my name is Allison. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Allison. Welcome to my channel. If you clicked on this video because you're a proud parent of one of these and you are fairly concerned about the actions that you see in the title, I get it. I understand. You may or may not want to keep on watching because it's going to get a little interesting. But I do have a reason for doing it that I want to genuinely share. That's kind of my main message for this video. On top of the fact that, yeah, I want to fuck this up. I want to just cover my hands in fucking glitter. Sorry in advance, I don't know. Little housekeeping. I'm sitting on the floor for some reason. Don't know why. Just took the chair out of the area, decided to just bring it down a notch. I have not one, but two of the exact same Pat McGrath Mothership 5 Bronze Seduction palette. Now, before you start thinking, wow, this little spoiled brat has two palettes and she's gonna destroy one just for shits and gigs. Hold the phone, that's not the reason why. Although I wish, because I wouldn't have to worry about paying my bills as often if I was just some rich spoiled brat. I am quite the opposite. This is my original palette. I purchased this on December 15th, 2018, so I've had this for well over a year. As you can see, she looks loved, she looks hugged, she looks well taken care of, dare say. There's a reason why I am not going to just keep this to keep it, give it away, sell it, nothing like that. So, about a week and a half ago, maybe 2 weeks ago, I'm playing with my makeup, which I do all the time. I like to bust shit out, swatch it all the time, play with shit, as anyone does. That's kind of what it's there for. It's war paint. War being life. I opened this palette. I noticed something weird with one of these glittery shades. This one right in the corner, which is called Astral Luna Gold. It's taken me 40 times to say that correctly. I don't know why. Okay, so if you can see, I'm looking in the viewfinder. It's shiny around the outside and kind of matte on the inside. I opened this and the texture was weird. It felt like it was Play-Doh, like it was all stuck together. And I'll show you some close-ups right here. It has like a weird matte white webbing running through it that honestly looks like white spider web-y kind of mold. I was shooketh, so I decided to do what anyone would do and took pictures and posted on social media. A lot of my friends from that point told me that I should probably email customer service with Pat McGrath Labs, which I decided to do. Customer service emailed me back, and long story short, I told them in my spiel to customer service initially, I didn't buy this from the Pat McGrath website. I didn't say where I bought it at all. I knew exactly how long I've had it for. I sent them tons of pictures of the batch numbers on the box and the palette itself, and lots of close-ups of what was going on, but I never asked for a replacement, which is ultimately what they sent me. I just wanted to know what was going on in my palette. I wanted to know if this was safe, and I think part of the reason why I'm making this video is if you have this palette, it's something to maybe look into this one shade that for me personally feels affected. I asked several times in my back and forth communication with the PMG team what this was, and I kid you not, they avoided that question pretty intently. 'Twas interesting, in my opinion, to see that much of a non-response and willingness to cover customer service and CYA. It is what it is. Either way, I'm really impressed that they're willing to replace a product that, yes, while it was theirs, I did not purchase it directly through their website. A lot of other places, whether you're buying it directly from the brand itself or a vendor website like Sephora, you know, they have a time frame that they work with, and if I don't have like proof of purchase, that is a problem for a lot of people. I get that. I work in customer service. I get that. Paper trails mean a lot for a lot of people. The fact that they're willing to do this, I think in my mind genuinely kind of screams CYA, and let's just replace this so that way she's good to go and this doesn't turn into a social media fiasco because there's mold in a luxury brand's makeup palette. Now, I don't have any real information on if this is mold. I'm not going to test anything like that. I just want to destroy it just for shits and gigs because that's, at the end of the day, what makes me happy. If you watch this video and you see my palette and it looks a little bit like yours, I definitely urge you to email customer service at Pat McGrath. Send a lot of pictures, let them know what's going on. Don't tell them you came from me because, you know, I might try to do this and I'm just kidding. If you see close-ups and you know what that might actually be, sound off in the comments because I kinda want to know. Kinda don't, kinda do. You know what I mean? It's one of those things. So without further ado, thank you so much to the PMG team. I doubt you'll ever watch this video, especially after I'm letting everyone know how to hack and get free shit from your website. I really appreciate the replacement. I'm gonna lay a bunch of poster boards all over the floor and we're gonna dig out a bunch of this eyeshadow and play with it. Let's get started. So here we have Pat McGrath Labs. Ooh, this is the Mothership 5 Bronze Seduction. So what I think I want to do first is I'm going to crush everything up but leave it in the pan to make it look like one of those little editorial type whatever pictures, you know how they do on the websites. That shit always irks me because it's like you have to destroy it in order to make a pretty picture of it, which is creepy in some odd ways. I do have my trusty palette knife here. I do want to see if I can get some close-ups of this. I'm going to make a TikTok of me just jabbing this into an eyeshadow and then we'll actually get started. Oh my gosh, you see what I already did? Oh, God bless TikTok. Okay, so I stuck this into here and it didn't do anything. But this, oh my God. That's like putty. Oh. In case you're wondering what the bottom of the pans look like. Let's be real, no one's wondering what the bottom of these pans are looking like. Ooh, that one's got a metal pan. Fascinating. Okay. Some of these have metal pans like they're little normal eyeshadows. I guess that's baked, so there really are like some crazy different formulas. Obviously we knew that. Why am I saying that? Now this shade right here, I hit hard pan on this pretty easily and it always frustrated me because I kind of like this shade. This one's got a metal pan as well. Oh boy, is this really like fascinating. Oh, best brown ever right here. This is pressed so hard. This is hard to get into. I'm gonna switch over to this side. Wow, these mats are so hard to get into. Oh my God. God, this is starting to feel like actual work. Look, it's like magnetically charged. So my dogs decided to join the party. I don't know why, but let's press on. Let's do these. Ooh, this one's softer. And softer meaning not as soft, just, wow, never mind, I take it back. Oh, it's more purple than it appears to be at first. You hear my dog breathing? Ooh. Oh, this is so soft. I am a dirty girl. Alright, we're doing this one last, so we're just gonna do, oh yes. That one's got a waffle, so I'm assuming these four have little waffle bottoms on them. Oh, it's just putty. Oh, I want to play with it. Look at my fingers. My hand looks sick. Like ill. My fingers look great though. Nothing. On with it. I have a feeling this is going to be stunning. And last but not least, it's our trouble shade. This I am so absolutely curious to see what happens. That weird whiteness is like running through it. When I run the knife over it, I can feel it too. See that like white, weird, powdery weirdness like that? Now this was satisfying. So, you know what the funny thing is I've never even taken the sticker off of this mirror. Oh, there's probably a reason why, because of this struggle right here. So, shits and gigs, I'm going to take these two shades and rub them all over my hand. I just want to see what it looks like. And then I'm going to go wash my hands and try so hard not to touch anything. I guess I'm just going to scoop it into my hand. Okay. Boom, clap. Wow, I can't make that just go into my hands, can I? There's your favorite shade of eyeshadow. Pat McGrath just fucking destroyed. Whoopsies, I just dropped a lot of it. Look at all that fallout. I'd lick my hands if I... Well, nobody's stopping me here, are they? How do I do anything without getting this shit everywhere? I didn't touch anything. I just blasted the shit out of this palette. Here's what she looks like now. Want to see what it looks like when it's empty? I'm sorry in advance. I'm still playing with it as I'm talking to you. It's lotion, it's expensive lotion. Look at my La Mer. My Pat McGrath La Mer. And now I'm just looking at the mess I've created for myself. That was satisfying. Yeah. I'm sorry you're mad. I'm sorry I have to get up like this. I'm gonna like roll around on the floor like a Ninja Turtle trying to get myself up because this is bad. I have nothing else of any value to add to this right now, so thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry you're mad. You better get glad. If you found this mildly entertaining or entertaining at all in any way, shape, or form, or just appreciate the knowledge that I have bespoke upon you today, please hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel. It's free. I make videos whenever I want. Wherever I want. Ooh, it's like flaking and flying in my face. And I need to clean this mess up. Yep. Alright you guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Tra-la-la says goodbye. Peace out. Yes. Bye. Oh, now I just got glitter all over my camera.